video, we cover all the topic which we will study in Python, and that one is basic. First one is basics. Uh, in the basics, we will see Python 2 programming, difference between Python 2 and Python 3, and more. And second one is input output. Third one is data types. Data types, it means list, tuples, sets, dictionary, and string also. And next one is variables. How to define variable, how to declare a variables. These are the basics. But data structure is also very important chapter in Python. Okay. So next one is control flow operator. Next one is operator. Okay. Operator, multiplication, subtraction, addition, and so many floating point, integers. There are so many operators are in Python 3 also. And next one is control flow, if statement, else if, sorry, in this Python, else if, yeah, or else if of control flow, loops, for loops, while loops. So we'll see in this topic control flow. And the next one is functions, how to define function, how to call a function in Python. There's so many. Okay, the next one is object oriented programming, yeah, concept. This is very most important topic in also in Python. And the next one is exception handling, is also important topic. Okay, models in Python, working with Excel, libraries and functions, data analysis, NumPy, Pandas, Python GUI, and application and projects. So many application we do in this series. And last one is ML, machine learning by using Python. Okay, and now the start with the basics. Okay, okay, then how to install Python 3? Then you go Chrome and search python.org. Then go to download section. Here is download section, and the latest version you download in your PC or laptop. Here is 3.8 is present. Okay, then you download this, just click download button. Okay, then I already downloaded, then I'm not download this. Okay, after downloading you just go to start button and write Python IDLE. Okay, then this one is IDLE, Python IDLE 3.7. I use 3.7 32-bit. Okay, okay, then this is the Python shell. You just click on file button and new file, and this one is here you write your code, like I write print hello, hello world. Okay, I write this code and run by. First one is save this program. Write the name of program, like I write Python Python 3 dot py, and then run control F5. Okay, press F5 for run. Okay, then here is hello world. Okay, then thank you for watching this video. If you